Hi guys, Pratik here. Today I wanted to show you a mini sequential shifter which is fully 3D printed. Be sure to watch this video until the end because I'll be showing you how the inside of the sequential shifter works. So we'll be taking a close look at the mechanisms that make it work and also the simplicity of this particular build. So I chose this specific size for the sequential shifter so that it can sit easily on my desk and not occupy a lot of space. But at the same time, I wanted the handle and the lever to have this proportion where I'll be able to hold it and shift with ease. Let's take a look at the construction. So we have two flat panels which are 3D printed and very few fasteners and a single spring. So let's take a look inside the sequential shifter and let's look at how the mechanism works. One of the major things that I focused while designing this was to make it as simple as possible, and you can see how it is. On this plate we have the two limit switches and these are press fitted as you can see, and let's keep that aside and look at the main mechanism. So in this assembly we have the spring and a screw and two other parts that kind of makes compression possible from both the sides, and that is linked to the lever here with the help of two links on both sides, and this is the lever and a handle, and the lever is pivoted on this screw. The whole arrangement of the spring and the lever can be customized for the amount of pressure that you want to feel while shifting, and it is for that reason that I have given these screw points where you can move this whole mechanism up and down. It's the same with the lever where you have two more adjustment holes where you can move this link up or down according to the force that you want. So let's take a look at how the spring compresses while you move the lever. So when you move the lever backwards, you can see one part of the assembly compresses the spring whereas the other part remains there. And while you push the lever forward, similarly a part remains at its place whereas the other part compresses the spring. And the advantage of this system is that the amount of force required to move the lever forward and backward is same since we are using just a single spring. So let's close it up. Now let's take a look at the sound that you can hear while it engages the limit switches. So yes, that is an overview of how the sequential shifter works. I haven't connected it to the FFB steering that I'm building, but I will be sure to update you guys on how the shifter works. So yeah, that is it from me for this video. So I hope you guys like the mini sequential shifter. So if you like this video, do give a like and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing a lot more of DIY stuff like this with a lot of 3D printing, and I'm also building a racing sim, and I'll be bringing in videos of that. So I hope you guys check that out too. So that is it from me for this video. See you guys later. Take care.